Absolutely. Here are 10 assertion reason questions based on the provided text about Fleming's right-hand rule and electromagnetic induction. Instructions. For each question, choose one of the following responses. A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion. C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. D. Assertion is false, but reason is true. E. Both assertion and reason are false. Questions. 1. Assertion. The direction of induced current in a conductor can be determined using Fleming's right-hand rule. Reason. Fleming's right-hand rule relates the directions of the magnetic field, motion of the conductor, and the induced current. 2. Assertion. If the thumb in Fleming's right hand points in the direction of the magnetic field, the induced current will be in the direction of the forefinger. Reason. The fingers in Fleming's right hand represent the magnetic field, motion, force, and induced current in a specific order. 3. Assertion. Changing the orientation of a coil in a magnetic field can induce an EMF. Reason. A changing magnetic flux linked with the coil induces an EMF. 4. Assertion. The maximum EMF is induced when the coil is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Reason. The magnetic flux is maximum when the coil is perpendicular to the field. 5. Assertion. The induced EMF in a rotating coil is given by the equation E equals NBA omega sine omega t. Reason. This equation is derived from Faraday's law of induction and considers the changing angle between the coil and the magnetic field. 6. Assertion. The EMF induced in a rotating coil is always constant. Reason. The angle between the coil and the magnetic field continuously changes as the coil rotates. 7. Assertion. The working principle of a generator is based on the production of alternating EMF. Reason. Generators utilize the principle of electromagnetic induction to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. 8. Assertion. The equation E equals E cos omega t represents the EMF induced when the initial position of the coil is at 0 degrees with the magnetic field. Reason. The cosine function is used when the flux is initially maximum, which occurs when the coil is perpendicular to the field. 9. Assertion. Both sine and cosine functions can represent alternating EMF. Reason. The choice of sine or cosine depends on the initial conditions of the coil's orientation with respect to the magnetic field. 10. Assertion. If a coil is rotated in a uniform magnetic field at a constant angular velocity, the induced current in the coil will be direct current, DC. Reason. The direction of the induced current reverses with each half rotation of the coil. Let me know if you'd like the answers or want more questions.
This is prepared by Ashok, retired Kendriya Vidyalaya professor. Please see this and like my video so that I can prepare more and more such a videos for revision of 12th class CBSE and NEET exam.